All right, so we're having another adventure with Mario and Anthony, and starting off the day right with some wait, what's it called?
Ube upside down pie.
Wait, no.
Pie cake. Pie? Cake.
No, upside down ube cake.
Pie.
Pie.
Cake.
Green pie.
Oh,
no,
man.
I don't think it's called that. It looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see that. But we're starting off the day right. We're gonna go to where are we going right now?
I don't know.
We're not gonna go. I thought you were gonna go. Julian or?
Then Mount Laguna.
Mount Laguna? Alright. I don't know, we're just gonna go on an adventure. See if I can show you guys this. Look at that. That's a bite of goodness right there. Breakfast of the champs for sure. But good morning everybody. And let the let the adventure begin. Hey, why are you filling up on 91, bro? You can't get caught lacking, dog.
Dude, I won't even make it up the mountain if I'm.
Why are you doing that? What is this? That ain't E85. That ain't E85. Come on now.
Dude, when we get higher up in elevation, don't get all sandy, bro.
Oh, I know.
There might be ice in the road.
Yeah. Once I see the temperature drop below like 40, or like to the 40s, I'm gonna chill.
So I want to do a not a PSA or what do I call this? Like, just comment below if you have a Type R. What is your gas mileage, like full range when you're on a full tank, and your MPG? Because as an SI owner with the 1.5Ts, I just fill up, I get about 391, almost 400 range, and my gas mileage is like 33.5. And being in here, what is that?
I just reset it though. We're at 233 miles and 20 miles per gallon.
But still, 233 miles on a full tank?
Yeah.
That's insane,
It's
bro.
pretty bad.
And that's on 91, and I run a mix with the 85, and I still get almost 400.
You know, that's a con of having a Type R. Shitty gas mileage, dude.
What the heck, bro? What's your MPG?
18.
18?
That's not good.
Dude, we're 4 cylinders. We're not V8.
I know.
They're 4 cylinders. What the heck? That blows my mind. That blows my mind.
I've been driving very conservative lately, and I'm up to 20 MPG.
That still doesn't make any sense. That hurts my head.
Dude, I'm making 100 horsepower per cylinder.
What the heck?
Fuck.
Okay, so yeah, let me know if you have a Type R. What do you guys get? Because I don't know if it's just your guys' cars or your guys' driving. It's just heavy on the gas. I mean, you guys do drive.
I'm chilling right now though.
Hey, chilling right now, but hey, like 5 minutes ago.
Hey, we don't talk about that. That wasn't on camera. That's wet.
Anthony, it's supposed to be a snow day, not a send it in the fucking snow day. Like, you don't have to send it just because we're in the canyon,
I mean,
bro.
this isn't sending it though. I'm chilling.
I know, but I know you want to.
I know I do, but it
doesn't mean you have to.
It's just wet, so I'm just scared.
Come on, you know this. It's the properties of having a Type R, am I right?
What?
It's the properties of having a Type R.
Yeah, but like, not in the fucking wet.
Yeah.
I gotta get good at wet and dry.
Not with us.
This ain't initial D, dog. This ain't initial D. Sheesh.
It's wet.
Oh my gosh, this guy. So you're one of those guys, huh? You're one of those guys who
I'm not tailgating.
Hey man, you're like, hey man, I'm coming through. You gotta move out of the way.
I was just letting you know, like, I would like to pass if you would let me.
Yeah.
This is where it gets technical up here, but I don't know if it probably will be dry.
Dang, bro, I don't know, man. This F-150 is doing it well too. She's like, hey, look at him take the corners. Hey, chill.
Oh, he's not gonna let you.
Yeah, he's not.
He probably knows better.
Yeah.
Like, bro, you're gonna fucking lose it.
I know.
Just chill.
Dude, he's kind
He's
of
saving your life, but bro,
he's kind of sending in. I'm on
hey,
50, dude.
He is kind of sending it, bro. He's like, you want to see what this F-150 can do? Shoot.
Bro.
Dang!
Hey, that body roll.
Oh, for real. That's insane. This guy knows what's up. He's like,
Science, bro.
yeah, he's like, this is my mountain, fool.
It's dusty too.
Sheesh.
Oh, look at that exit speed.
Oh!
Hey, he's sending it.
So we stopped by this Dudley's, and got sandwiches.
We got food. We're making a quick stop here up in, where are we practically in Julian right now? Is this Julian or no?
I think so. Like the outskirts, like right before Palomar. I don't know.
Hey, let me see your sandwich.
It's
Hold
Julian
on.
enough.
Oh man.
This is the full sandwich, man. You played yourself.
Okay, so I don't understand this because there's a sandwich place I go to near my house, and they have a difference between full and half isn't half a sandwich. Half is literally a full sandwich that's just like normal layered, top bun and bottom bun or whatever. And this one, or when you get a full there, it's literally like triple stacked. Now here I had the same concept in mind, thinking that it was gonna do the same thing, but no, I got half a freaking sandwich, and this guy got a full sandwich. But yeah, I played myself, bro. I thought I was gonna get a full sandwich. I thought it was gonna be one of those triple stack things. I don't know if like sandwich places just do that normally, or what, but whatever.
You guys wanna eat first?
Yeah, sure. Dang it, bro, I really did get half a sandwich.
Dude, also the snow up there.
And that took so long.
Mount Laguna.
There's snow up there?
Not in Julian though. Mount Laguna, the snow.
Mount Laguna,
Let's go
okay.
to Mount Laguna.
Yeah, that's where we go. We have to stop by Julian anyway, so.
I really did get half a sandwich, guys.
Beautiful view.
I know, for real. Finally hitting that snow. This is so nice.
It's dead.
Dang, man. Look at the scenery, bro, for real. Jeez, I don't get to see this every day. Like, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Adventures, man. Adventures, for real.
Get it.
Oh, dang, bro. You said you're going slow. You, ooh.
Just kidding, I know, I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch, not gonna lie.
Dang, bro. Oh.
I'm turning around.
Why?
Yes.
Right. What?
In the middle of the fucking road?
Yeah, they'll see me. It's a straight. They'll see me coming.
Oh, gosh. Oh, God. Here comes this car.
It's all good. We're good. We're good. We're
He's
good.
gonna slow down.
We're good. Imagine I couldn't back up.
Hey, he's gonna chill. I thought he said gonna chill.
I just gotta get back up to speed
Okay, I
again.
gotta yak now, bro.
Do you actually?
Maybe.
Oh, hey, you better pull over, dog.
Hey Mario, this is where we went when we first met. Everyone was here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we went here.
Oh, you're talking about here. Oh, bro, you're gonna have to go over some of that
Oh
ice.
shit, yo, you're a local snowplow.
shoot.
Oh, I'm gonna
Oh.
scoop this ice up. Watch.
Oh, you're like hovering. Oh no, oh my. Hey, chill. Oh, hey, you legit got ice. A legit snowplow. Hey.
Your local snowplow.
Hey, are you done recording?
No.
More. More.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm not a
Party
part
in
of
the
this.
USA, bro.
This guy's about to play Party in the USA. Oh my.
That's a lot.
Yo, that's a
That's a
lot.
lot. Hold on,
I'm about to
bro.
run over all this.
Hey, this is the action shot right here. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me just embrace this real quick. I gotta say, I'm truly blessed to be able to do this right now. Like, this is so sick. This, and you got this beautiful view. Hey, go ahead. Oh my God, literally just scooping up. Yeah, that's a very significant amount of snow. All right, let's start heading.
We're gonna go on the trail right there.
Which trail?
We're gonna walk up a little bit. I want to see it over there.
Oh, okay.
And I also want to see my car.
Yeah, check it out, bro.
Hey, your local. Holy shit! Yo, your local snowplow, dude. Yo, dude.
Oh my
Dude,
God.
Mario, I thought it was a little bit of snow.
I told you, bro. You were packing.
Oh my
You were packing on the snow. I wasn't kidding.
Parts of the snow.
Hey, and it's a chassis mounted splitter too. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my God, what are you doing?
Trying to fix those and take air temps really quick.
Hey, oh my God, you're crazy. Wouldn't that be bad?
Nah.
Here, I got you some more, man. Oh, jeez. You're gonna need a nice fat detail after this, I'll tell you that. I brought the wrong shoes for this, honestly. I shouldn't have brought my nice shoes.
Look at these.
Oh yeah, you really brought the wrong shoes for this. This guy don't even care about his shoes. Chill. All right. Yeah!
Oh shit! Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Hey, go ahead, throw it this way.
Oh shit!
Oh, try to catch that. Hey, no, you got. Hey, toss it towards me. Toss it towards me.
Hold on. My hands hurt.
Try to hit me. Try to hit me. I want to try and catch it. I want to try and catch it. Oh, that was not how I expected that outcome to happen. Oh my gosh, this guy. Hey, yo, Anthony, you need to chill, man. You need to chill. Jeez. Hey, bro. Hey, real shit, bro. Like, I mean, content's content, but I'm not trying to get that type of content. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. Hey, what you guys doing over there? Hey. That's right. Can't even throw that far, dog.
Oh yeah?
Bet.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's right.
Can't throw
Come on.
Fuck.
Hey, there's a rock in this one.
Hey, chill. Come on, let's see what you guys got. Dude, amateurs over here. You can't even touch me. See that, guys? You see that? I'm gonna have my back turned. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. All right, that one got me. Yo, that was a little sketch. You know, back in my day, I used to play baseball.
Get it up here, Ryan.
Ah!
Yeah, you were in first base, weren't you?
Hey, I was just playing. I never played baseball. Hey, what you doing there?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Are you going down or?
Yeah, I'm going down.
Okay. I'm just gonna casually keep walking down.
Yeah, let's go. Hello. Let's go down.
Not expecting. Casually, just gonna walk. Hopefully, don't slip. Oh! All right. Speed round. Oh. We made it. Mama, we made it. Oh. Where's Mario? Oh, there he is. All right, let's ditch him. Yo, start the car.
It's already on.
All right, well then, fucking go. All right.
Go up.
Where's he at? Hey, we'll see you later, bro. Hey, no, hey. Oh shoot, hey.
You put straw meat on the front.
You're what?
You put it on
What
ice,
the
dude.
It was in the snowplow.
What's happened?
Here, this side.
What are you talking about?
This side.
Oh,
It's
bro.
That's easy to fix.
Oh no, mama, no.
Easy fix.
Sheesh. It's alright, easy fixes, right? Hey, at least it's flexible, but dang. Alright guys, don't do this, obviously. I mean, we knew it was a bad idea from the start. So, we're making non-smart decisions right now. So after the damage that we all saw, he's still gonna snowplow all that snow. Oh gosh. Oh no. Hey, all right. You're gonna damage your car actually. This is no bueno territory now.
Oh shit, he's spinning.
Are you spinning? Yeah. Are you stuck? Oh, okay. Oh. Hey. This is what happens when you make bad decisions. Oh, nice. All right, you're good. I think you're clear. Dang, on those nice TEs too. You're good. Heck no, bro. Your Type R would not make that. That's way too deep.
My car. This is so nice.
Oh yeah, dude, this is beautiful. Just careful. Oh god, we're going deeper in the snow. Hey, look, they're building a snowman over there. Hey. Alright, perfect, bro. So can your Type R drive through snow? Yes. All-terrain vehicle, right? Ooh, little sketch. That was hella sus. I don't know if I got that on video, but that truck was almost like getting stuck. And we're just trying to get shots real quick of the R, and it's been difficult because this is literally the lane to come in.
Hey, what's up?